Is this paradise on earth? Family run, based family run, permaculture farm that Mr. Base Science is reporting from the field today. This might be my favorite place, but guess what? I have to report. Tropics All Day Experiment. First encounter of something that raw chicken. Can you imagine? Raw chicken could never, and it did never, make my tummy ache. But Nicaragua OMETEPE, heaven on earth paradise garden, it made my tummy ache. What? My tummy is aching. What the fuck is going on? I'm shitting my freaking pants off with watery poo. It's going straight through me. My tummy is not doing well. Raw chicken never did this to me. Raw meat never did this to me. What the hell is doing it to me here? I don't even freaking know. But my tummy ain't working like it's supposed to work. Even the tropical sunlight on my freaking tummy ain't helping. It's helping a little bit. It's making me feel good. Like I'm still feeling pretty good. But when I eat, after a couple hours, and water comes out of my asshole. It's not how it's supposed to be. Sometimes it aches a little bit. So first encounter of negativity in this experiment that has been going so well. I'm on my favorite place right now. This family-run permaculture farm. The children are so awesome here. The parents that are running this farm, they're so awesome, so welcoming. I'm getting raw milk. I'm getting the best eggs. Actually, my tummy ache started on the last Airbnb. It actually started when I crossed the man-made border from Costa Rica, Pura Vida. Pura Vida never made my tummy ache. When I crossed the border to Nicaragua, something happened. My stomach got a little weird. First, because on the first night I was staying here, I had this Airbnb on a Nicaraguan family, and it has breakfast on it. So it was some gallo pinto again, some rice and beans with some plantains and some eggs. And after that I was a little gassy, like a little, not too much, but then the gas kind of stayed around, and I was kind of tired for a couple of days. I didn't have that on Costa Rica. And then I was like, my stomach was a little bit weird, not too much, but then the watery diarrhea poops became a reality of me, Mr. Base Science. First it was one day, like things were just passing through me. It was a good thing that they passed through me and it didn't came back up, because I hate throwing up. So that has not been happening. And it was not aching still. But then I just kept kind of eating, like hoping it would go away. Then that night my tummy was like kind of bit weird, kind of little bit aching sometimes. And then I woke up, and then I again pooped all with the watery diarrhea mess. I ruined their toilet, their ancestral family toilet. Actually, it's not. They built their nice Airbnb for us gringos coming to enjoy the paradise that makes your tummy ache. What the hell is going on? So that was the second day my tummy was kinda watery. Then there was one day that it was good again. I was like, yeah, now my stomach is good again. And now today we got watery poop again. I need to be close by the banjo toilet. I need to be close by so I don't shit my freaking pants off. because that's the situation I found myself in the paradise. So, what could it be? Is it the water? I don't know, the water seems to be pretty good here. Everybody's like, it's some spring water out of the volcano, it tastes good. And in the days I didn't have water poop, I was still drinking the same water, so probably not the water. Is it the meat I get from the supermarket, the super cheap meat? I'm kinda looking at the meat. It might be the meat. I might do no meat tomorrow. That's one of the negatives about the island, is that you cannot get fresh meat, except if you know the people, because everybody has animals here. So if you know the people, you could get fresh meat. But for the supermarket meat is some Nicaraguan premium beef, but it is frozen. It looks really good, it tastes really good, but does it make me feel good? I'm kinda suspicious of the meat. It might be the meat that's making my poop watery, but sometimes also it hasn't made. So I don't know. Is it some of the fruit I've been eating? Because I don't freaking know. But I gotta say, this is the most messed up my stomach has been. Of all the best science videos, I had that one day in raw chicken experiment, but that was no mystery. That was just simple mistake by my part. But this is kind of mystery. What happened when I crossed the man-made border to Nicaragua that made my poop, made my tummy act like this? Sunlight, please help me. It's helping. I've been actually feeling pretty good, even though I probably don't absorb most of the nutrition because it goes straight through me. But now it feels also fine again. In the morning, I was a little bit under trouble, but now I've been eating again a little bit, and now it feels completely fine, and I got my energy back. But always when it goes straight through me, you obviously feel it in your energy. You kind of feel a little lethargic because you cannot get the electrons. You cannot get the nutrition from the food. This helps though. Like, this has been very easy kind of tummy problem. It could be much worse. I could be throwing up. I could be sick, like actually sick, because I've still been going around doing all my stuff here. But I hope the tummy gets better. So let's praise the OMETEPE gods, the OMETEPE nature. Whatever is making my tummy ache, get the fuck away from my tummy. And there's the owners going. The owners are so nice, like so nice. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's coming for me.